Dworken Bernstein is proud to present this profile of a deserving charity doing vital work in our community and benefiting from L.P.A.
With the confidence of knowing that every time you call your attorney for an advice, there's no fee involved, then I have the confidence to okay, please help me out. If I do this, this is what happened. What am I gonna do? I mean, I don't want anything to hurt our case either, because of course I'm already trying to fight back for my son's time, and it's just wonderful that they are there to help me out, understand what I need to do when it comes to legal matters.
For Janice Tatanetti and like her, the Legal Aid Society is a lifeline. Active in Cleveland for 103 years, its mission is to secure justice and resolve fundamental problems for those who are low income and vulnerable by providing high-quality legal services and working for systemic solutions. Melanie Shakarian is the Director of Development.
We focus on family law, especially issues of family law related to domestic violence and issues of safety for children. Within the consumer law realm, foreclosures, payday lending, predatory lending issues. In the housing law realm, it's evictions and situations where landlords and tenants are at odds. And then we handle issues of health, education, work, income, immigration. So our practice area is broad. It's as broad as our client base.
55 full-time attorneys specialize in poverty law daily. An additional 700 volunteers take one case at a time to help out. Together, they handle 7,000 cases annually, a huge caseload for the society. 7 years ago, and only 8 months after her marriage, Philippine native Janice Tatanetti left an abusive husband and her 2-month-old child and escaped to a shelter where, fearing for her own life, her husband threatened to have her deported and threatened the life of their 2-month-old child. At the shelter, she found out about legal aid and sought help. Her husband filed for divorce, and she needed help to gain custody of her son. Penniless and jobless, legal aid was her only hope.
I don't have work, I don't have anything. Money is a big, big issue. But of course, I want my son, because if I give my ex the decision of what to do, he's not gonna let me see him. That's definite, knowing him. So I need somebody to legalize everything of what my rights would be with my son.
It's 7 years later now. Janice is on her feet, employed, thinking about a career in the medical profession, proud owner of a condominium, and living with her son. Legal Aid's annual budget of $10 million is met through donations from attorneys, law firms, foundations, and just recently, the windfall donation from Dworken Bernstein.
It's going to help incredibly. It's the monies are going to be used to implement our strategic plan. Our board and staff spent a lot of time in the last year figuring out what our roadmap is for the Legal Aid Society over the next 3 to 5 years. And so funds that are going to come from this L.P.A. are going to help us implement that strategic plan, focus our resources, be an efficient, effective organization that does a lot of good work.
Thanks to L.P.A., an obscure legal doctrine, legal aid will benefit. L.P.A. awards are funds left over from class action lawsuit settlements. When negotiated by plaintiff class action lawyers, charities benefit. The law firm of Dworken Bernstein helped direct the L.P.A. funds to legal aid and is spearheading a national campaign to raise awareness of L.P.A., hoping to make it a standard component of all class action settlements. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about the law firm of Dworken Bernstein or L.P.A. awards, go to OhioLawyersGiveback.org.